Welcome to Didu Indonesia, outdoor and indoor all-weather wicker furniture manufacturer and exporter. Didu Indonesia is a furniture company that continues to grow to become a trusted furniture company to supply projects to other industrial, either it's designer, trader, contractor, creating by professional experts with extensive experience in the art of aluminum frame furniture. We provide the best furniture products for our customers. Starting from the quality of the frame, sturdy construction, and rope and synthetic materials that pass laboratory tests. Didu has contributed on several hotels projects to provide them with the latest furniture models over the years. Didu providing your own custom design as our marketing program to create and deliver it to the way of our customers' imagine design. Feel the comfort and safety of our products, from beautiful designs, waving, and standardized packaging according to your needs, so that your goods arrive safely to their destination. And until now, Didu has produced over than 400 product lines, with more to come, and hundreds of other custom furniture designs ordered by international industrial designers from various countries. With more than 1,200 projects, our customer base is spread across more than 30 countries. Didu has 3 stores in Indonesia, which are very strategically located. 1 in Jakarta and 2 more in Kota Bali, making it easier to connect customers who wants to visit Indonesia for business trip and traveling at one time.